Hi everybody, Allison Williams here, Law Firm Mentor. Today is Wednesday and I wanted to share with you a tip about something I did last night for the first time. I actually participated in a Facebook Live where a psychologist, she has a TV show, or rather a Facebook show, if you will, and every Tuesday she goes live at 8:30 p.m. and she invites people onto her segment to talk about different issues that are relevant to her clientele. So as a psychologist, she deals with general mental health issues, and she also deals with evaluations for psychologicals, both through the state as well as privately. And so she brought me on to talk about my area of passion, which is people involved in the child welfare system. But what I thought was really unique about this, and what I wanted to share with you, was how easy it was to complete this process. You know, we all talk about what we do on a regular basis. If you were to put a group of lawyers in the room, you would definitely not be longing for conversation, because we're going to talk about how we do the things that we do, how we litigate, how we negotiate, how we settle, what our clients are like, what our team is like. And for those of us that are really interested in business, we're going to talk about what our business is like. But when you get us outside of our comfort zone of being around other lawyers, sometimes we clam up. And we have to think about how we can spread our message to people who are out there in the public domain who need to hear what we do so that they can be attracted to us and ultimately consume our service. So last night, I answered questions. It was not in any way a sales pitch. It was just, what can you tell me about this issue or that issue? They were all legal issues, most dealing with child welfare, some dealing with general family law. And I really enjoyed myself. I got to talk about what I love. The psychologist got to engage with me about her aspects of what I do. And the public got to hear strategic legal information, even though it wasn't specific to their circumstances necessarily, it could be. And people then reached out to me directly after the Facebook Live and asked me to schedule consultations. So even though I didn't do it for an immediate client generation activity, it turns out that that is what happened. So if you think about it, you're really expanding your network by virtue of accessing someone else's network. And that's really what networking is all about. It's expanding the number of people that you have access to. But if you give value in the context of expanding your network, you're much more likely to see some immediate returns on it. So that being said, today's tip is to get out there and do something inventive and say yes to opportunities, including things like Facebook Live. Have a great day.